Hi, welcome back to Mix Crochet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Maya Mesh 2. The skill level is easy, so it's pretty simple to do as long as you know your basic stitches. So this is what it's going to look like. It's pretty cool looking. So what we're going to do to get started is we're going to get a 4-ply yarn. And I'm going to use a 6.5mm crochet hook just because I'm doing it for purpose or tutorial purpose reasons. So I'm going to start with my slip knot. So now for this pattern you're going to chain multiples of 11. Me, I'm just going to go ahead and chain 11 to do the sample, and then after you've chained multiples of 11 you're going to add 8. So I'm going to do 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So now for this, for your foundation row, you're going to start. What you're going to do is you're going to do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So when you do that, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And then what I'm going to do is 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. So you're going to have a total of 6. So here's 1, 2, 3, and here is 4 right here. So now your chain in the beginning, this counts as your first double crochet, so you should have 6. This is what it should look like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to skip the next 2 chains and single crochet in the next chain space. So what you're going to do is you're going to skip 2. So you're going to skip 1 and 2 and single crochet into the next chain. Just like that. So I'm going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to skip 2 chains. And I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 6. So you're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and then in the next 6 you're going to do a double crochet. And you're going to keep repeating that until the end. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's 6. So this is what you should have so far. Yours will keep being repeated, but this is what I'm going to do. So now for your row 1, you're going to chain 8. So chain up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to turn my work. You're going to completely skip the next 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this last double crochet, you're going to do a double crochet right above that. So just like this. So this is what it's going to look like. It's a little weird at first, I know, but it's going to be cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to skip over this and do a double crochet in this first double crochet. Just like this. So this is what you have so far. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to do a double crochet into this top right here. So your chain 3 in the beginning will be where you're going to do your last double crochet. Just like that. So you should have pretty much boxes, or rectangles I should say. So that's what it's going to look like. So for round 2, to start that, we're going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you're going to do, turn your work, you're going to single crochet into this chain 5 space that I have right here. So you're just pretty much going to wrap it around it and single crochet. So it should look like that. And you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And do your double crochet into the top of this double crochet right here. So this is what it's going to look like. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 double crochets into this chain 5 space right here. So you're going to yarn over and do your 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, just like that. And we're going to do a double crochet in the top of this chain, or this double crochet, excuse me. So we're going to just go ahead and put our double crochet in there. So that's what you should have so far. So now what we're going to do is chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to single crochet in this chain 5 space. And then we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. Now, for this, when in the beginning of the last row we chained 8. So now what we're going to do is just like turn the chain a little bit, and you can count them. 1, 2, 3. You're going to do a double crochet into that 3rd chain right here. So just insert your hook and do your double crochet. That will end your row, but if you're doing something larger, you're just going to keep repeating what you did. So you would chain 3, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 3, double crochet, 4 double crochets, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet, and just keep repeating that, and it's going to give you this cool little box look that you got. So now for row 3, we're going to chain 8 again. So we're going to chain up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to turn our work, completely skip over this, and do our first double crochet in this first double crochet. So just do our double crochet in here. So you're making your box again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to skip over the next 4 double crochets, and in this last double crochet right here, we're going to double crochet. So it gives you another box. And now we're going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to turn your chain over, count up 3, 1, 2, and 3, and do your double crochet into that chain 3 up here. Just like so. So now you have, it's starting to come along just nicely. So now we're about to do our last row, which is row 4. So for row 4, what you're going to do is chain up 3. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to turn our work, and now you can see where it's like almost checkered pattern. We're going to put our 4 double crochets in here, our double crochet into this one. We're going to chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, double crochet 4, and then do our last double crochet. So let's do that. So we're going to put 4 double crochets into this chain 5 space. So here's 1, 2, 3, and here is 4. So there's your 4. Now in the top of this double crochet we're going to put 1 double crochet, just like so, and we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to single crochet into the next chain 5 space, just like that, and then we're going to chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do our double crochet in the top of this double crochet, just like so, and then we're going to do 4 double crochets into the last chain 5 space. You're pretty much just repeating it throughout this row. 2, 3, and 4. And remember, you're not done because you got to turn your chain. So here's 1, 2, and 3, and do your last double crochet in the top of that chain 3. So now what you're going to do is just keep repeating rows 1 through 4 until you get the desired length of the pattern you want. And when you're done, what I like to do is I would just chain 1 and single crochet across the top, and in these chain 3 places put 3 and 3, and then just continue to single crochet across to give it a nice finishing look. It's completely up to you, but this is what you should have continued throughout your entire pattern. It's just like checkers. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and watch the other videos. There's plenty on how to do different things. Thank you.